Inspector Munene wa Volisi Douglas Kanja Niwalumiliilya Vayingwa Kiko na Kimwe cha Maovisa Volisi Kukonanwa na Kuteka Nyara Kana Kuwaa Enenthi kwanzia ite Kueleeka. Aiweta Kivalua cha Volisi ni Kwikia Mbini Esililwa Syiko sya Wangangany'a kana wananga kana Umamai. Kanja avikite mbewa nzama ya usesi wa muo wa nthi mbungeni sya kati Niwalumiliilya Volisi ni maende kukunikila Syiko miongo 5 na muonza sya muthemba u vala waweta no andu 6 oka matiitwe ni thayu vala angi wasya andu miongo 2 ni mavikite kukwatikana methayo kukwatianiwe na misio vala angi miongo 9 maende na kumandwa kuvikia oyu Benjamin Mwaka ena mavombe yange.
Inspector Munene wa Volisi Douglas Kanja no vetangia Maovisa Volisi mavitio namwe thino wa Syiko isiendesya Enenthi gukwatwa kwa na angi Kuwaa. Aiweta Vayingwa Uthukumi na umwe wa Volisi wetikiletie maundu 5 na Esililwa Syiko ifaili syosi mokoni ma Volisi ukunikili uende.
Ours is to arrest in broad daylight. Police don't kidnap anybody. No, we arrest and take to the court.
We are almost having a mix of criminals carrying out nefarious activities, but also something linked to security forces that involves kidnappings and also disappearance of Kenyans.
We have got specialized teams. We have got our CRIP team. We have got the homicide teams. They are specialists in these kinds of serious investigations. So my take is that we just give them time, and at the end of the day we are going to get all the necessary information, and most of the questions that are being asked by the honorable members will actually come to right.
Kanja avikite mbewa nzama mbunge ozesei wa nthini na muo no weta kuvikia oyu Syiko ta hii miongo 5 na muonza izo sye mokoni ma Volisi vala andu 6 maikithitwe kutua ni thayu miongo 2 makakwatikana me thayu na angi miongo 9 ni maende kumandwa.
The victims, after the report was made, we have already found 22 of them. They have been found alive. 29 are still missing to date. Victims found dead, there are 6, making a total of 57 of all those who have been reported missing.
The government, through the president, came out and said no more abductions. We fully
no more
support
extrajudicial killing and
true,
abduction.
No more extrajudicial killing. We support that. If indeed the honorable members and the 29 other missing Kenyans have been arrested, the family of those missing people have every right to know. So it will be very good for the authorities to come out and say these people have been arrested so that the loved ones can see their people. Why I say they are abducted is because we don't know the whereabouts of these people.
Kanja Niwalumiliilya Syiko syao yumetuge syao wani ti sya mukono wa muvayo mwaka Aiweta ume ni moma kunikita muno mbewa mwaitu yukuone ino.
Most of the reported cases of homicide, which are basically either murder or homicide, we have our investigations have been successful up to the rate of about 92%. Those are the records, because we have actually gotten a majority of those who have committed those heinous crimes. And you find in most cases they are related in one way or the other.
Ino uyovo Niwalumiliilya Volisi inesa kwe mwane wea na nikuthiana na Syiko ingi na muthiano kana kumanda aki na usungio wa kutoa kwa kila mwenenthi ulo kunikite vala walumiliilya misi itethe isi silikali kutungia mituo miseo muikane.
This is something that we must also speak as a society. In our homes, we must talk to our children, in our churches, in our mosques, in our barasas, our leaders. Please assist us, talk to the people. It is important, because I want to mention that what is happening is not only in this country. These are phenomena that are happening world over actually. Happening all over, but we must come up with the measures to address these issues. And one is actually talking about discussing with our people.
Vilingo wa mavoku mavambo sieni lovi nyanito wa Benjamin na Mwakam.